this is Miss Remy here, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much to my current subscribers. Thank you, you all appreciate it. And if it's your first time here, this channel is about hair everything DIYs. Occasionally you'll get hauls and try on hauls and anything else. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe because that will help for YouTube to push my channel forward to more people. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Today this video is about this hairstyle right here, that if you like to see how I achieve this hairstyle, so stay tuned and continue to watch. And the hair is from Amazon, Passiontwists, 10 inches. There are 7 packed in the bag and each pack has 22 pieces. Honestly, it's longer than 10 inches, okay? And I always wash the hair before I apply it in my own hair because they use chemical to process the hair. It may even break your hair or break out on your face, okay? So I am showing you how to part your hair straight, how to get the clean part. I don't know if you're able to see, or go back, rewind it. When you want to get a straight or clean part, do not angle the comb on like down, just go to see what I'm trying to say. So, and also do not lift the comb up. That's how you're gonna get a clean part. And in order for you to do that, your hair will need to be well detangled, okay, so you don't break your hair. I started with the back first, but just I wanted to show you guys what I did. After I did the back, I went back and prepare the hair so my hair doesn't get detangled with all the hair, which will make it easier for you to do. You will need, these are the things that you will need. You will need rubber bands, you will need a comb, you will need a crochet, maybe the crochet needle, because I'm gonna show you guys different ways and how to achieve this hairstyle. Okay, so right now I am showing you guys how I not split the hair, but make it its fully length, because when it comes fold. So I'm using a rubber band. They are colored. These are the cheap rubber bands, okay? I did not have the black ones. I forgot to get them. Okay, so these eventually going to pop. So you're gonna use the tip of the hair, not the, because normally when you do crochet you would use the middle of the hair, but this time you just use the tip of the hair and then put it in, because you really do not want to go through the whole thing and then just to put extra tension in your hair when you do the middle part. So I am combing the hair, because if I leave it uncombed, it will not be fluffy like my own hair, because it will be skinny at the end and on top it will be fat. So right now I'm showing you how I make the hair tight, because since the rubber band going to pop, so I make sure I double secure the hair by taking one string of the hair and then wrap it around my own hair with the rubber band, then braid it a little bit and then twist the hair. I will show you guys that a second time because it's a bit confusing. I will show you guys. And as I twist, I kind of pull just to get that effect of it's old, the hair it's old, because I wanted to that type of look. Okay, so I'm pulling, then I'm taking some part of the hair out. I will show you a second time. So after I am done, I take a little piece of the hair, very skinny, okay, and pull it and make it look, I don't know how to call that, like you make it look, I don't know guys, I don't know, but you pull it so the hair could shrink a little bit and give it that curly effect. I don't know how to call it, okay, but you guys get it. If you have the black rubber bands, the good one, you do not need to do any other of the method I'm going to show you. Make sure that your needle latch is open, okay? It's open, and then when you put the hair, you have to close it, just in case if you didn't know. I'm sure you guys know. So If you have the regular rubber bands, you just need to do this method and you'll be done. Okay, you do not need to twist the hair around it. So this is me showing you how to do the second time. I part my own hair in half and take two strands of the hair for both side, and then twist it around the hair, twist it around the hair, then take that one strand of hair and braid it. This is double secret. As you guys saw in the beginning what kind of gel I'm using, I'm not using a really super sticky gel because I do not like using gel in my hair to leave it for such a long, for over 5 days. So I'm using just a regular gel that's not. And if you want your part to look clean and tight, I don't understand why people like their hair to be tight, because you're gonna lose your edges and you're gonna put tension on your hair. I don't like doing my hair tight. So just do it. I mean, if you like your hair being tight, that's up to you. But you can use got to be glue gel. I don't know what you call it, but like a very super whole gel. Okay. Again, I'm just pulling the hair, making it look passionate. Because this hairstyle called Passiontwists. So right now I've done most my hair, just the front. And as you guys know, I'm very sensitive about my edges, so I did not put any rubber band in my edges, nothing like that. I didn't even put the hair through my the little braid that I did. So what I did, I braid the hair tight, very tight, not too tight. And then I take one string of the hair, then braid it around the little braid that I did, because I do not want to be bald headed in front of my head, because as you're getting older, the front of your hair gets weaker and weaker and weaker. And right now I am showing you guys another method with the same kind of style. Okay, so what I did with this one, I just wrapped the rubber band around the hair, then I did not put it through the rubber band. I just take the hair and braid it a little bit, then start twisting it. Surprisingly, I like that effect of the rubber bands, the different colors that shows underneath the hair. I think it's kind of cool. But the most one I really like is the one that I did with my edges. It's really secure and very easy to do. Let me tell you, I did not know that thing was gonna take me that long. So if you would like to know how many pieces of hair, it was 42 pieces. So guys, now you finally saw how I achieved this hairstyle. I hope you guys like it. Let me know how you feel about it. And that's my first time doing it. How do you guys think it looks on me? Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you again for coming back to support you. I hope you already giving me your thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was easy, and I hope you guys will be able to achieve this hairstyle with no trouble. Okay, but if you like what you see on my channel, take a tour and consider to become part of this family. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would really appreciate that. Plus it will help my channel performance with YouTube by pushing it to more people. I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for my new subscribers. Welcome, and thank you so much to my current subscriber. You all appreciate it. That's about it. And don't forget to have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. And I will see you on the next video. Welcome. On this channel we have...
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Wait.
What?
Wait. I'm closing that. Hello, Natalie just got here. Who got this, Natalie? I'm coming in a minute.
No. Let's go together.
I'm on this channel. You... get out.